Everyone, I'm Landon Chung, and today I want to talk about AWS S3, which it stands for Simple Storage Service. It's one of the most popular cloud storage services offered by Amazon Web Services, and it provides an easy to use interface for storing and retrieving any amount of data at any time from anywhere on the web. Similar to Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive, S3 allows users to upload files or folders, which are then transferred into S3 as objects. These objects can be accessed via unique URLs and can be public or private depending on the access permissions set by the user. S3 also allows for hosting static websites by providing an index.html file and specifying the bucket as a static website. However, in order for the website to be accessible to the public, the bucket must be made public with the correct permissions using a bucket policy. One useful feature of S3 is versioning, which can be enabled or disabled by the user. If versioning is enabled, objects in S3 will have a version number, which can be used to track changes made to the object over time. In the case of replacing an object with the same name/path, S3 will keep the previous version of the object and create a new version. S3 is also integrated with a variety of other AWS services, making it a powerful tool for building complex applications. For example, S3 can be used with AWS Lambda to process objects as soon as they are uploaded, or with Amazon CloudFront to distribute content globally. The integration with AWS Lambda could be used to create thumbnails for videos, so photo into S3, and then it gets kicked off and thrown into Lambda, which turns the photo into a smaller photo and then gets kicked back to S3. That's one of the integrations you could do. In terms of cost, S3 offers several storage classes that can help decrease the overall cost of using the service. These storage classes include standard infrequent access, standard one zone infrequent access, Glacier instant retrieval, Glacier deep archive, and intelligent tiering. By using these storage classes, users can choose the level of durability, availability, and performance that best suits their needs. Another important feature of S3 is lifecycle rules, which allow users to automatically delete data that is infrequently accessed or change its storage class. This is particularly useful for managing large amounts of data and ensuring that only the most relevant and frequently accessed data is stored in the most expensive storage class. Finally, S3 offers event notifications that can be used to generate thumbnails on upload or to trigger other actions using Amazon Event Bridge. This allows for the creation of powerful event-driven applications that can respond to changes in S3 in real time. In conclusion, S3 is a robust and flexible storage service that offers a range of features and integrations with other AWS services. By taking advantage of S3's features such as versioning, storage classes, lifecycle rules, and event notifications, users can build powerful and cost-effective applications that scale with their needs. Now I'm going to take some time to compare most of the S3 features to a warehouse. Alright, the big picture of S3 is that it's like a large warehouse where you can store all of your possessions. You can easily add, remove, or retrieve any item you need from your warehouse, and you only pay for the space you use. An S3 static website is like a piece of artwork in your warehouse that random people want to check out. Anyone can come look at it, and you can customize your artwork however you want. There are S3 bucket policies, which are like security guards at the entrance of your warehouse. The security guards check who's entering and leaving the warehouse and what they are carrying. You can find who can access your warehouse and what they can do with the items stored inside. S3 versioning is like a time machine for your warehouse. You can go back in time and see all the changes that were made to your possessions. You can retrieve any version of any item and nothing is ever lost or completely replaced. Available to you is S3 integration with other AWS services, which is like a team of assistants who help you manage your warehouse. You can assign different tasks to your assistants and they will take care of everything for you. You can automate workflows, analyze data, or use machine learning algorithms to improve your business processes. There are storage classes, which are like different types of rooms in your warehouse. You can choose the most appropriate room based on the value and frequency of access of your items. You can use standard rooms for frequently accessed items and cold storage rooms for less frequently accessed items. S3 lifecycle rules are like a cleaning schedule for your warehouse. You can find when items should be moved to cold storage or deleted entirely based on their age or access frequency. You can keep your warehouse organized and free from clutter. There's even S3 event notifications. These are like alarms that go off whenever someone enters or leaves your warehouse. You can set up notifications to trigger whenever a new item is added or an existing item is updated. You can be instantly informed about any activity in your warehouse. Now, S3 cost and pricing are like a utility bill for your warehouse. You pay only for the space you use and the activities you perform. You can monitor your usage and adjust your operations to optimize costs. So that is the overview of Amazon S3. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give the video a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Hope you learned a lot. I certainly did. And I will see you next time. Peace out. Bye.